Now we have seen how to define properties and how to work with constructors. Today we're gonna learn about static types. Before we speak about statics, let's speak about the type. So it is basically the class or the script you are writing. Now if we create a new enemy class in Unity, our class will be a type. But if we create a game object and apply our enemy script to it, our script will be just an instance. There is two things: the original script that we're gonna call a type, and there is the instance over here. Now when we add static in front of a variable or a method, it belongs to the type instead of the instance. Normally, when we create this instance, we may have some data inside it, such as health, damage amount, and speed, and all of those data belongs to the enemy. But you can set certain things that belong to the type, and it will be the same for all the enemies. When we use a static type, the memory is taken up indefinitely for the life of our program. In C# we have something, we call it garbage collection. Every time we use the new keyword, garbage collection is called to free up the memory. For example, if we create a new static int, this new variable is taking up memory for the life of our program. Now, if we create a new class, we can access that variable directly. All we need to do is writing the class name, dot, and the name of the static variable. Now let's create a new static method. This new method will reset the position to 0. Our method is static, so we can access it very easily from other classes. In the start function, let's reset the position. Now let's go back to Unity and create a new cube. Let's apply our script and hit the play button. As you see, our cube's position is equal to 0. In mobile games, try not to use static types very much, because in mobile games, memory is everything. If you use too much static types in your game, it will be automatically crashed. Now we have learned how and when to use static types. On the next tutorial, we're gonna learn about singleton design in C#.